There you go. There you go. You're doing good.
I think I'm getting hot.
Yeah, it's hot out here.
I just have to go down the mountain. See, Daddy?
You want to put it back over here?
Yeah. Put it back over here, son. This is kind of I'm gonna turn it off.
Take off. Take off real fast. There you go. You did a bunch of bubbles that time. You're doing good now. That's an airplane. See it right there? Are you ready to go in? Are you hot? There you go. Good bubbles.
Bubbled all over the place that time. Are you getting hot? Okay, well we better stop and rest for a while.
It has to run out late. I just have to stay here.
Yeah, you want to get a drink of water?
In the water?
You want some water?
Juicy juice. That's what she don't drink water. She drinks juicy juice.
I drink water in this house a lot.
Well, I got some water in there if you want me to go get you a drink of water because it's been walking around a lot and it's hot.
But
You want some water?
maybe. Maybe.
Or you want something else? What you want, I'll go get it for you. Juice. Okay. I'll be back.
Let's
Stay
have
right
like this. Get some juice. Sometimes you have to get cold.
Do you see Papa in that door?
Yeah. Yeah, I see it. And maybe I got some chewers in my thing. Ooh. Now I'm not ready. Now I have to go. You should have to wait.
Yeah, I see your picture in that window.
Here you go, get you a drink so that you can
Yeah, juice.
feel better because it's hot out here and you need to get a drink every once in a while when it's this hot.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I'll make some water.
You need any water?
I'll get some when I come
Yeah,
in.
we'll get some in a minute. Thank you though.
Hi, Mommy.
I'm gonna hold it for you while you.
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
Now I'm ready to go.
Oh, get out. We'll watch. Ready? Go.
Good job.
Ta-da! There's bubbles everywhere.
Bubbles! Bubbles!
You need help? Do what?
Now don't go in the road.
You wanna come this way? You want me to watch you? You want to turn around and come this way? You see the bubbles? You gotta give Papa and Nana and Uncle Gary and Aunt Rebecca a big old hug and moochie before they leave. And they got you that lawnmower. It looks like you can adjust the speed, sweetheart.
Y'all guys are going to go home, and then you're going to bring this home with y'all, and then y'all guys are.
No, they're gonna stay here and visit and eat and play. And this is going to stay here with us.
I will eat with us.
Yes.
You
We're
want
going to eat
a
some
drink?
cake.
We got some cake.
Yeah.
Now you guys are going to eat cake with us.
That's
That
right.
is
After
right,
we
baby.
eat dinner.
That's right, Booger
That's right.
Boo. Okay. All right. So, is that the right speed? Have you got that on the right speed and everything?
Yeah, she's got that down pat.
Because stop.
Oh,
Stop.
okay. Well, Mama didn't know how to do it. How about this right here? How do you do that?
Go like
Oh.
this. We turn it on, and
You're set. You're like one smart girl.
Take off up there and let it make bubbles. Take off and go fast.
I know how to use one.
Take off, take off. Go, 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 go.
I'm turning. No, bubbles are coming out.
There you go.
Boing.
Bubble maker.
You need another drink yet?
Yeah.
There you go.
I just got a drink.
Yeah, you need to rest a second and get a drink. Juicy juice with a bang bang. Juicy juice with a bang bang. Juicy juice.
And check it and see in the words right now.
Everything worked properly? Yep, going all the way. Got the ignition. There you go.
Shoot. 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 I think you got to let it go off.
Yep. Do what?
Let this go off.
You want to go in and cool off? Are you hot? Hey, what?
It's time to eat now. You got good